Kasi hindi namin sila atrasan eh. Pero sana isipin nila yung mga pulis na sa labas. Sana isipin nila yung oras nyo sa news. Would you rather be reporting on inflation, on tourism, on gas prices, diba? On education, on the super El Nino? Or would you rather keep talking about Bato? Diba? Wala naman sine si Bato eh. Hindi naman box office yung kay Bato. So may legal issue. Sinabi po ng NBI, sir, makakapasok ba lahat ng agents? Nandiyan ba silang lahat kung hindi pa pumayag si SP? Not only the political. Oh, but what is the other side doing? Diba? Sabi nga nila, sagot ko lang doon, mas mabuting manipis kaso sa makapal. Diba? Majority nga kayo dati, makapal naman. Oh. Sabi niya, manipis ang majority namin. Oh. Oh. Diba? Okay. So, at the very least, yung pinaka-respeto natin sa kapwa senador, makapasok ka, you can use the facilities of the Senate, hindi ka sinusundan ng CCTV, hindi ka threaten, hindi nag-iimbento ng mga accusations sa kapwa, diba? Hindi tinatakot yung kasama mo sa majority. That's why I said nga, statesmen like sana, nagpalit, let's move on. Pero sa ginagawa nila ngayon, parang pinipilit nilang magsalita kami kung bakit tumagal ang palitan ng leadership. So, kung papalitan nila kami, all they have to do is go upstairs. Nung natalo ako kay Senator Pimentel ng 2016, nag-dinner pa kami kasama si PRRD with Senator Soto, Senator Lacson. I think Senator Pimentel was there. Nagkamayan pa kami sa Malacanang bago. And then I didn't go to the SONA. I didn't go here. Sa SONA na ako pumunta. Oh. Nung nagpalit at naging Senate President si Senator Subiri, wala namang problema eh. Nung umakyat kami ni Senator Escudero, pinakita sa kanya, mga boss, may pirmahan. Yakapan pa kami. Siyempre may konting sinong bumaliktad, sinong ganon. But yung private lang yun. Diba? So, nung pumalit si Senator Soto, ang umakyat napaka-close pa sa amin. Umakyat kay Senator Cheese. O siya pa nag-oath eh. O. So, before the break, alam nila may hawak akong 14. Hindi dapat ako. It was someone else. Oh, anong ginawa nila? May ginawa sila. Para hindi kami umabot ng 14. Oh, so ngayon, choice nila kasi hindi namin sila atrasan eh. Pero sana isipin nila yung mga pulis na sa labas. Sana isipin nila yung oras nyo sa news. Would you rather be reporting on inflation, on tourism, on gas prices, diba? On education, on the super El Nino? Or would you rather keep talking about Bato? Diba? Wala naman sine si Bato eh. Hindi naman box office yung kay Bato. So may legal issue. So let the court decide. Can't we move on from that?
Sir, categorically, diba? What will you do with the resolution of minority? Will you allow it to be taken up later?
We're meeting right after with the acting majority leader.
Pero sir, meron bang threat sa leadership?
There's always a threat. Lalo ngayon ito na mainit ang politika. And I'm ready at any time. I didn't ask for this. If natuloy yung ating palit ng leadership nung bago nung break, hindi ako ang Senate President. Kung hindi ako tumulong kay Senator Cheese, hindi din. I don't want to discuss na yung each and every member nga. Kasi nga, let's face it, huli na naman. Di ba may southern at northern hemisphere pagdating sa flu shots, patapos na yung isang hemisphere, papunta na dun sa kabila. Hindi pa tayo nakakabili. Masasabi mo ba sa senior citizen na nagka-flu, tapos nagka-pneumonia, namatay. Masasabi mo ba, sorry kasi we failed sa bidding. Di ba, guys?
Sir, sa process lang, kapag po nakita sa investigation na yung colleagues, some of your colleagues are involved in the plan or plot to arrest Senator De La Rosa, you will file an ethics complaint?
Two things. One, that's up to Senator Bato dahil siya naman ang involved. Ako, I'm more talking about the institution. Sometimes, if it's more political action, it's better just to let it go and to be statesmen and stateswomen, di ba? Yung parang, okay, that's part of the game. Medyo may konti kang siko, konti kang sipa. Sige, pero no harm, no foul. No blood, no foul. Di ba? So we want to move there. We want to talk about real issues. Di ba? So let me stop there, guys, kasi I'm sure I'll brief you then by the end of the day. Yeah, last question.
Last question. Kayo po ang kumausap kay Senator Bato na magpunta rito yung
Many people have been talking to him for the longest time. And as of Sunday evening, ang alam namin hindi siya dadating. Pero nagkausap kami ng Monday morning, then he told me that he's around. And then we made the arrangement for him to get here. And that's obvious because nung nagsalita ako, di ba? Sabi ko, we have 13 and Senator De La Rosa will come in. That's why nagulat ako nung pumasok na humihingal, tumatakbo. Kasi sabi ko, you don't have to come in dramatically. Yung pala, hinahabol na ng mga ahente ng NBI. Let me stop there, guys. I just have to do some work. Tapos,
Pero yung ban na
Yeah.
sinabi ni Sen Bato sa inyo.
Senator Pia will speak about it, but I will tell you everything because there's no crime. Di ba? Ang mag-hitch ba ng ride ngayon, bawal na?
But the ban is yours.
Sa'yo po
Yeah.
yan.
Senator, I don't want to preempt yung speech ni Senator Pia, but later on we'll answer all the questions.